Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson number 78. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson, we'll solve more rational equations. Okay, now let's get down into it. We are given an equation to solve. Reading 3 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 2x plus 2 is equal to 2. Well, we start off by multiplying by x. Actually, this is x, sorry. This is x plus 2. So we begin off by multiplying everywhere by x plus 2 so that we get this uh, monomial, uh, binomial, sorry, from the denominator. So that will leave us with 3 into x plus 2 over 5, and this will be plus 7, and this will equal to 2 into x plus 2. Then after that, we have to multiply everywhere by 5. Once you do that, we'll have then 3 into x plus 2 plus 35 will equal to 10 into x plus 2. Okay, so then we can try to multiply through or to distribute through. So we have 3x plus 35 will equal to 10x plus 20. So we can then simplify what we have. So this will be 3x plus 41 will equal to 10x plus 20. So we can now arguably subtract 20 from both sides. 20. So we have 3x plus 21 will equal to 10x. We can then subtract 3x from both sides. Subtract 3x and subtract 3x. So we'll be left with 21 is equal to 7x. Divide by 7, x will equal to 3. Sorry, equal to, will equal to 3. X will equal to 3. Yeah, and that will be our final answer. All right? So if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. Bye for now.